Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to our channel 1-2 Step. In this video I'm quickly gonna show you how to redeem your Amazon gift card. There are plenty of websites that you can redeem your gift card. You can now also redeem your gift card and buy some cryptocurrency. But for this video I'm gonna show you within the app of Amazon and how you can redeem your gift card to add it as your balance. All you do is open up your Amazon shopping app, and from here you just tap on the human icon, which is the second option right here. From your profile section you just tap on your account and just scroll down to the bottom where you'll have a section of payments, and under payments you just head over to manage gift card balance. Once you're here you'll be able to see your balance that you have. Now to redeem your Amazon gift card, you just tap on this redeem another gift card. Once you do, you'll have two choices. Either you can scan the QR code to redeem it, or you can also type in the code and you just tap on apply to your balance. And once the gift card has been redeemed, your balance will show up right here. Now the one thing that you need to know is that you won't be able to transfer this balance to other accounts, nor you can use this balance to purchase different gift cards. Only can use this balance to purchase products from Amazon. So that's the way you redeem your Amazon gift card. If this video was helpful to you, then make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. If you are interested in more videos similar to this, make sure to turn on that notification of our channel. That's gonna be all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.